Picture a keyboard that not only obeys your every instruction but also turns your gaming area into a canvas of lively, ever-changing light. The Redragon POLLUX K628 Pro fits this description perfectly. It's the newest member of the POLLUX K628 series. Following the POLLUX K628 Pro and POLLUX K628 RGB. In this review, we'll be comparing these three models side by side. The Redragon POLLUX K628 Pro stands as a 75% mechanical gaming keyboard, boasting 78 keys. It features convenient hot swap sockets that support both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, along with Redragon's custom transparent stock switches. Constructed entirely from plastic, this keyboard includes a top plate-mounted PCB. The case comes with a diffused semi-transparent black tint finish, while the keycaps, colored in monochrome ABS, and switches are both fully transparent. On the underside of the POLLUX K628 Pro you'll come across an unmagnetized slot designed to store the 2.4 GHz dongle. Additionally, there are two rubberized feet risers with a single height adjustment feature. The Redragon K628 Pro strikes a balance between compactness and substantiality, measuring 35 cm in length and 10 cm in depth. Its design prioritizes comfort and practicality, considering ergonomic factors. The top row of keys sits at a height of 3.5 cm when the feet are not extended, ensuring a comfortable typing experience. Extending the feet increases the top row's height to 4 cm, allowing you to customize the keyboard's angle according to your preference. On the lower end, the bottom row of keys maintains a height of 2.7 cm, harmonizing with the overall keyboard profile. Despite its robust build, the K628 Pro is impressively lightweight, tipping the scales at 514 grams. This balance between dimensions and weight speaks to the keyboard's portability and ease of use, making it an ideal companion for both gaming and work scenarios. In terms of practicality, the POLLUX K628 Pro excels with its flexible connectivity choices, providing USB-C wired, Bluetooth wireless, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. Among its counterparts, the Redragon POLLUX K628 RGB and Redragon POLLUX K628 PRO, the standout feature of the POLLUX K628 Pro is unquestionably its fully transparent, sophisticated design. The transparent keycaps, switches, and diffused board combine to create a visually captivating result that adds an exclusive flair to any desktop arrangement. The backlit illumination further accentuates this effect, ensuring your desktop setup garners attention. In terms of usability, the POLLUX K628 Pro SE's layout, featuring 78 keys, masterfully balances compactness and utility. It smartly includes separate arrow keys and number keys, addressing the demands of both gaming and productivity. However, it's worth noting that the numeric pad comprises only 3 columns, omitting the 4th column commonly present in full numpads. The POLLUX K628 Pro shares an equally impressive hot swap design with its counterparts, the POLLUX K628 Pro and POLLUX K628 RGB. The POLLUX K628 Pro keyboard comes equipped with direct RGB backlighting control. It offers a selection of up to 20 preset lighting modes, including an innovative music mode. This captivating feature synchronizes the RGB backlighting with ambient sounds through a built-in microphone, producing an engaging visual effect. It's important to note, however, that the music mode requires the Redragon software to be active in the background to function. In addition to RGB customization, the keyboard enables you to conveniently adjust both brightness and the speed of RGB effects directly from the keyboard. When it comes to RGB performance, the results are nothing short of impressive. The keyboard emits a stunning and vibrant RGB glow that captures attention. In wired mode, you'll also notice a distinctive red LED status light, reminiscent of a laser, adding an intriguing visual touch. To gain a better sense of their RGB lighting capabilities, you can explore the individual reviews for the POLLUX K628 RGB and POLLUX K628 PRO, each featuring videos showcasing their respective RGB lighting performances. The battery life spans approximately 15 hours when in 2.4 GHz mode, with the RGB lighting activated, and around 8 hours when connected via Bluetooth. Charging the POLLUX K628 Pro takes approximately 7 hours to complete.